Hello and welcome to Georgia Tech Housing. Today, I'm going to walk you through the My Housing self-assignment process step by step. So pay close attention because here we go. Students who apply by the deadline will receive an email with their room selection number and the time slot. Now, the search and assign option will allow you to assign yourself and your roommate. This is done in 4 easy steps. First thing to do is select the building. Next, choose a floor, reserve a room, and be sure to highlight enough bed spaces for yourself and your accepted roommate. The magnifying glass will show you who may already be assigned to that room. Assign your bed space and don't forget your roommate. If you have an accepted roommate and you want to room together, now is the time to make that assignment too. The room and roommate info step will let you see the assignment you just made, including contact info. If you and your roommate decide you want to live in another room or building, go to Delete Assignment. Delete your assignment and then start over. Deleting your room assignment will also delete your roommate's assignment. Now, for the best shot at getting your top choice, be sure to check with your accepted roommate to see who has the earliest time slot to self-assign. That's the person who needs to make the room assignment for the both of you. Also, please be courteous to the fellow students and do not log into My Housing before your time slot to avoid overloading the server. Instead, browse the open rooms at housing.gatech.edu/available-rooms to see what is available and refresh your screen every 10 minutes for updates. Simple, right? Georgia Tech Housing is glad you've decided to live on campus again. See you at Move In.